Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Blink Sync module offline. So in order to fix this issue, if your camera is offline or can't communicate with your sync module, your camera's thumbnail will be dimmed out with the message camera is offline or sync module is offline. So when your camera is in this state, you may need to try the following troubleshooting steps in order to get that camera back online. First, you need to ensure that your sync module is online. So if your sync module is offline, you will want to establish that connection first before moving on to your camera. Second thing, some cameras do not require a sync module. So if your camera system does not have a sync module, you can proceed to the second step. Now in the second step, you can power cycle your camera. So if your camera is powered with batteries, you need to remove them for 5 seconds, then you just have to reinsert them. If your camera is powered with a USB cable, you just have to unplug the cable from the wall outlet or camera, then wait for 5 seconds and reinsert the cable. Then you need to wait for 30 seconds and try using that camera again. If this method doesn't work for you, then you can even check your Wi-Fi connection. For that, you need to go to your router or access point and check if you are receiving internet on other devices. You may need to power cycle the device or do further troubleshooting in order to get back online. On your mobile device, you need to ensure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, then open a browser and check if a website loads. If this method doesn't work for you, then you can even try the fourth and the fifth method, in which you will have to replace your batteries if necessary, and you can even move the camera closer to your sync module. So if none of the methods work for you, then what you can do is you can simply come to blinkforhome.com, and over here you just have to scroll down and click on the contact support option. With the help of contact support, you can directly contact with the Blink's customer service. So you can either submit a ticket, or you can even use the chat bot in the bottom. So as you can see that this is the request submission button, where you just have to simply select the reason, and after that you need to fill out these details and press submit. So with the help of these things, you can definitely fix this issue. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.